The first question is 4 times 7/12. You do 4, and then when it's a whole number, you put it over 1, which is the same as 4 wholes, times 7/12. When you're multiplying with fractions, you just multiply straight across. So 4 times 7 is 28. 1 times 12 is 12. So you write that. 28/12 can be simplified. You can divide that by 4, which is, it equals 3, and then this one equals 7. That is an improper fraction, so you can turn it into a mixed number. 3 goes into 7 2 times, which went 2 times, and then there's 1 left over. So 1, 3. The next question is, Harold and Madison drove a total of 2,334 miles in 6 days. They drove the same distance each day. How many miles did they drive on the last day? So you basically just divide 2,334 and 6, which is 6 won't go into 2. 6 will go into 23. 8 times. 8 times. 6 times 8. Wait, no. 3 times. 6 times 3 is 18. 2. 3 won't, you can't subtract 3 from 8, so the 2 turns into a 1. That equals 0, and this turns into 13. That's 5, and then you bring down the 3. 53. 8 will go into 53 6 times. So you put a 6 up here. 6. 6 times 6 is 6 times 6, 32. 32. Wait, no, 8 times. Yeah, 8 times. 8 times 6 is 24. So 53 minus 24. 5, 4. This turns into a 13. 9. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. 29. 6 will go into 29. 6 will go into 29 4 times. So 6 times 4 is is 24. You subtract that from 24, which equals 0. So our answer is 384 if they drove an equal amount each day. So that means that whatever they drove each day is the same on the last day. The last question is, Jordan's grandmother walks 6 hours each week. How many hours will she walk in a year? 1 year equals 52 weeks. So, you times 52 by 6, basically, because if she walks 6 hours each week, and then she does that for 52 weeks, then that will tell you, then you times 6 times 52. So 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 5 is 30, and then you add the 1, so 31. So 312 312 hours in a year.